Hey guys, Wildcat here. I know I haven't posted an actual video other than like a montage or something that wasn't me in a while, and I just got this package in the mail and thought it'd be a great idea to do an unboxing video for you guys. So a little information before I actually open the box. My DSG at a recent, not recent actually, just my most recent, which was a while ago, trip airsofting, I managed to crack the lower receiver, and so I found a great deal to, my gun was originally a JG, so the body itself was a JG polymer upper and lower for an M4, and on eBay I actually found a polymer upper and lower set, which is exactly what I needed, for fairly cheap. It was brand new, it was not used, so it's in perfect condition, I'm assuming, and this will be going on my DSG. So let's open this up. Alright, get this open. Alright, it should be an upper and a lower receiver. Alright, unloading first package. It is in very good condition. It's new, so it should be. Bring it right up here for you guys. So, selector switch functions, it clicks, it's good, it's firm. Nothing appears to be wrong with it, which is good. There's the warning labels on the side, which I will most likely be removing. So let's put that to the side, take out what should be the upper. Oh boy, we got a little bag of goodies in it too. So here is the upper. I will say that this is more of a grayish tone than the black that my M4 came with, but I will most likely be painting this anyways, so that is not an issue. The rail itself is metal. Pulling it back. Does not release this. Hold on. Alright. I'll figure that out in a second, but not really bad. It's in perfect condition. Little button works. And then in here we got the pins, the mag release, a little spacer for right here, and some other various things that offhand I do not know the names of. It's like some little screws and whatnot. But yeah, so here it is. This is going to be the new body of my DSG. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you do. I will be having some more orders in the future, so if you like watching me unbox all of this and just kind of open it up with me, let me know in the comments. I will make sure to record more unboxings when those purchases are made, and I will see you guys later.